everybody, welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Just wanted to start out with my brows. I never do. So I wanted to show you guys that I always apply an eyeshadow primer in my brows. Next, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills gel and it's clear. Now I'm using Benefit Cosmetics pencil. I really like their pencil to fill in my brows. One of my brows is a little higher than the other. Right now I can't remember which is which, but all I do is just fill in the little bit that's missing from the bottom of one to match the other, and that's it. I'm also going to be using the LA Girl concealer in dark cocoa, I believe that is. I try to find a shade close to my skin tone so I don't have to do too much blending at the top of my brows. You don't want to have that highlighted brow look. You want something close to your actual skin tone at the top of your brows, if you understand what I mean. Now these brows are looking like perfection to me. And I'm just going to use that same e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I'm going to go over my lids. My lids are always oily, so I have to apply a primer and then I apply a base, which I'm using the same concealer again on my on my lids as a base. And it's going to help all of my eyeshadows look so pretty. I'm taking us back to MAC. That is my 30 pan palette from MAC. And I tried to fill it up with all of the shades that us brown girls used all the time. It's so nostalgic to me because I started watching Little Pumpkin Pie 05, who is now Jackie Aina, a long time ago when she worked for MAC. And all of these different shades, I just basically watched her videos and decided these are the ones that I wanted. Some of these have been discontinued, but as you can see, just a simple look up until I get to the lid. So those were shades that we used all the time. You have your Wood Winked, you have Sketch, which I'm applying right now in the outer corners, and you have Brown Script. Then I decided to get a little funky with it and I used the Bling, which is discontinued. In order to make it pop a little bit more, I used the glitter glue. You can use anything. You could just wet your brush and it'll make it pop a little bit more because it's like a shimmer shade. And it's a pretty pink. I really like it, but I felt like it was a little bit too cool toned for what I wanted to do. And you'll see here in the video where I went over the Bling with another shade called Expensive Pink. And that gave me the look that I wanted. Just cleaning up under my eyes, all of the fallout. I'm going into the Perversion eye mascara from Urban Decay. Really like this one. It makes my lashes pop. I'm using the Stacy Collection lashes, and I do have a video about the Stacy Collection. She's a YouTuber. She's one of our sisters here on YouTube. She started her own cosmetic collection, and I'm going to leave a link below for all of her cosmetics and the video review I did for her very recently. Here I am applying Sketch in the bottom lash line, just smudging it out, making it nice and smoky looking. I'm also going to use a black kohl liner in my waterline. This is from Makeup Forever. You guys know I love this. This is an M10. It's smudge proof, waterproof. Love it. Very smooth pencil. If you have not purchased these, you should. They have like 1,000 colors. So check them out. This is the All Nighter from Urban Decay. This is their primer. And I had this in my possession for about a month or so and didn't even know it actually. So I'm just using it for the first time and I'm thinking I'm liking this. Also, I'm using the Il Makiage foundation. Hoping I'm saying that right. I do have a full review on this and I'll link that down below. So check out that review. If you've been seeing all of their pop-ups on Instagram, you would really like to know how it works. I'm using the Sephora brand concealer. Love this. Still haven't gotten around to using other colors, but I will because I love it so much. Very creamy. I love this. If you have not tried them, please do. Now we're applying a little bit of ColourPop powder to my face. I think this in deep dark or dark deep. It's the deepest one. And we're going to highlight under my eyes with CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. This one is in the shade Bronze. And I like that for a highlight. It's nice and subtle. Not too much. And it brightens up under my eyes quite well. It blends in with just about everything very well too. Applying a little powder to set. And we're going into the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. You guys know this is a holy grail. Everybody loves the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. I can even use this as a blush if I wanted to. It's perfect. Now I'm going to use a Rimmel London blush. I forgot the shade name. They're not expensive at all. Love these. And I'm going back to the lower lash line and I'm going to apply Benefit's Roller Lash. Love that. And the All Nighter setting spray. It is tried and true. If you are an oily skin girl, you need that in your life. We're moving on to lips. I'm applying my Pitch Liner. You guys know I love that. I will use it until it is all gone, so don't hate me. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss and Caramel. All of their lip glosses are absolutely awesome. I'm telling you, if you have not tried them, please do. You will thank me. Awesome, awesome glosses. So many neutral shades. And that is it. Such a beautiful look. Took you back to MAC. Love it. Cyber kisses. Bye.